straight from the knees. So with this bounce, we're gonna start just bending the knees. Here and then up. Go down 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The bounce, to find that momentum, you just gotta let the body loose and let the knees do the work. You can let the hands go and just let the body flow with it. Let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you notice, I'm kind of already naturally adding the arms on top of the group. So feel free to add those arms too. I'm going in, out, in, out, in, out. Let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just to keep giving you a little bit more direction, I'm also adding a head nod on top of this group. Yeah, and that's natural. Whenever you hear your favorite song on the radio, you just naturally go like, ooh, that's my jam, right? So you want to add that. Again, loosen up the body, add that head nod if you got it, add the arms, and again, it comes from the knees. Let's try it together one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as a reminder, this is a social party dance group, so feel free to really explore. We quickly went over just the basic hand movements here and the head nod, but know that this can lead you through so many other movements. You can bring the arms up, you can bring them out more, you can bring them in, you can use the head, and just really explore. Let this be an inspiration for you to dig deeper in that groove. Now let's just try this all with music. In 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce. Now back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to keep exploring within your dance, and if you'd like to learn more, watch some of our other videos. We got lots to offer you guys. Remember to give us a like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd also like to follow us on Instagram or Facebook, you can find us at Versatile LA. And if you want to follow me, you can find me at CEH_94. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. Have a blessed day. I will catch y'all soon.